A fourth, somewhat less important structure is the one that uses conditional operator. So, the statement or the structure which is using conditional operator is less important. In this chapter, we will explore all this way except switch, which has a separate chapter devoted to it later, in which a C program can react to changing some circumstances. So, in this chapter, we are going to explore all this way. Uh, so, we will discuss except switch, which has a separate chapter devoted to it later. So, we are accepting switch here, in which a C program can react to changing circumstances. So we will discuss about, or we will explore the ways in which a C program can react to changing circumstances. Now decisions. So it is written so because decision because decisions, there is an exclamatory mark after decisions. So which shows that it creates a curiosity about, or curiosity, or decisions are shocking us. That means decisions make us shock. So decisions are important in our life. So in fact, to execute the instructions sequentially, we don't have to do anything at all. By default, the instructions in a program are executed sequentially. So in fact, to execute the instructions sequentially, we don't have to do anything at all. By default, instructions in a program are executed sequentially. So sequential execution is a part of C programming, or C structure. So execute these instructions sequentially, we don't have to do anything at all. They are automatically executed sequentially. Many of times we want a set of instruction to be executed in one situation, and an entirely different set of instructions to be executed in another situation. This kind of situation is dealt in C programs using decision control instructions. So many times we want set of instructions. So in one situation we need the program to react in a certain way, and in another situation we want that program to uh, react in certain way. So we use decision control instructions here for performing that certain task. Decision control instructions can be implemented in C using A. The if statement, B. The if else statement, C. The conditional operators. So decision control instructions are implemented in C. So it has a decision control structure, and these decision control instructions are implemented using some features, or what we can say, a certain elements, or certain things, or certain functions. So these are uh, three kind of things, or three kind of features of C language, or what we can say, C structure. So by using these features we can perform decision control. So first is the if statement, that is A. Then B is the if else statement, and C is the conditional operators. Now the if statement. So this is first. Like most languages, C uses the keyword if to implement the decision control instruction. The general form. So like most languages, C uses the keyword if. So if keyword is used for implementing decision control instruction, and it is performed in many other languages also.